Okay, Tasha. Hi, Tasha. Say hello. Hi, mati ka muna. Iya.
Binabati ko yung mga kaklase ko at saka yung mga teacher ko dyan sa Lyceum, sa Golden Success, saka yung mama ko, yung kapatid ko at saka yung mga tita ko dyan sa bahay. Hello! Nandito na ako sa Wawawin!
Tasha, okay. May lahi ka bang ibang ano? Dugo?
Wala po.
Pilipina lang.
Yes po.
Pero may pagka-Bombayin ka, di ba? Yung beauty mo, parang sa ano, Saudi, di ba? Parang ganun ang beauty mo, ha?
Actually po yung papa ko parang itsurang Bombay pero wala pong lahi.
Ang ganda ng kilay niya, bombo.
Swear.
Di ba? Ganda ng mata
Thank you
mo.
po.
Ganda mo. Ilan taon ka na?
19 Will.
19. Ang nanay mo, anong trabaho?
Isa pong liaison officer sa eye center.
Ang papa mo?
Patay na po, 3 years old pa lang ako.
Pero paano yung Pilipino?
Opo.
Ilang kayo magkakapatid?
5 Will, bunso ako Will.
Okay. Nag-aaral ka?
Will, oo. Graduating na ako actually, tas working student.
Wow, galing. Palapangan niyo, working student. Anong trabaho mo?
Model, Will.
Nag-modeling ka. And then nag-aaral ka at the same time. Anong course mo?
Tourism.
Tourism. Alright, Tasha. Kayo yung mga Pilipinang may boyfriend na foreigner, di ba?
Yes.
Saan mo nakilala tong anong to?
Actually, nag-OJT ako nun sa flight attendant training school. Tapos, doon ko siya na-meet.
Doon. Ano naman siya doon?
Nag-ano rin siya, Will, training for flight attendant.
Okay. Sige, pakilala mo, Tash. Sige.
Ipinapakilala ko sa inyo, proud and loud, fresh na fresh from India, si Paul!
Hey, Will. Good afternoon.
Hello, Paul. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm okay, Paul. So, you're Indian. Is that right?
Yes.
You were born in India.
I was not born in India. I was born in Muscat, but I moved to India in the year...
You were born in where?
Muscat, Oman.
Oman. That's right. So, that's Saudi.
Yes.
And then?
But then, since my father is an Indian, he used to work there in Oman. So we moved back to India. So that's where we call my birthplace.
Now you're here in the Philippines. What do you do here?
I even study and even work. I completed with my studies in flight attendant, and now I'm working in the same institute as the office staff, and even I work as an English teacher.
Okay. Your mother is?
A Filipino.
Your mom is a Filipina?
Yes.
You speak Tagalog?
No po, konti lang. I understand, but I can't respond back. Because it's been only 1 year I have been to Philippines.
Okay.
So
Where is your mom now?
she's in India. She just left India past 3 weeks.
Okay. Paul, what do you want to tell this woman?
I have many things to say to her. I always been saying. This time I'll say it from my own, my own words that I always wanted to say to you. कहते हैं कि किसी चीज़ को तुम अगर दिल से चाहते हो, पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की कोशिश करती है. Which means that if you really desire something from your heart, the entire universe will conspire to help you achieve it.
Nice. So that's Indian.
Yes.
Is that Indian?
Yes, yes. That's our national language, Hindi.
That's nice, huh? So, how do you say I love you in India?
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Huh?
मैं तुमसे.
Ma tukse?
मैं means me. तुमसे is you.
Me tukse?
तुमसे.
Tukse.
तुमसे.
Tumse. Me tumse?
प्यार.
Pyar?
प्यार means love.
Love. Me tumse pyar.
करता हूँ.
Kaya papakili na, di pa papilini. All right. Okay. Wow, that's wonderful words, okay? What else do you want? What else? Is that all? In English?
We had been sharing too much things together, and I always wanted to say to her this thing that when she said to me that I asked her once, why do you choose me to love you? So she said to me that I see my father in you. And then I said to her, is that real? And then I came to know that her father had a background from an Indian. So her mother, at the same time, I met her. And then she said to me that you look very similar to her father. And then that's when I always gave myself completely to her because she saw her special person in me.
Thank you, Paul. Asha?
Love. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you. I'm so blessed and thankful because I'm so blessed and thankful to have you. Um, if I'm angry sometimes, don't bother with it. It's just my mood swings. I love you so much. May tumse pyar karti hun.
Oh, that's so sweet. So right now
Mahal
you're
na
working.
mahal kita.
You're working right. What? What?
Mahal na mahal kita.
Oh.
Mahal na mahal din kita.
Oh. So sweet. Okay. Tasha, you have 10,000, huh?
Thank you, Will!
Okay.